Make your journeys more enjoyable with the new age Hyundai cars. The new age Hyundai cars are equipped with the latest tools and technology like the Tire Mobility Kit. The Tire Mobility Kit is a faster and easier solution to repair punctures in no time. So how to use the Tire Mobility Kit when you get a flat tire? The Tire Mobility Kit contains an air compressor with attached hose to pump sealant and air into the tire. Sealant bottle, an integrated bottle of a thick sticky sealant that will provide a temporary fix for your flat tire. Sealant bottle holder on compressor housing. Filling hose. Power cable that connects to the car power outlet. A gauge to display tire pressure. Button to reduce tire pressure. And speed limit label. Remember, if you can find the puncture and the reason for the puncture is still in the tire, do not take that out. Now let's see how to use the kit. Shake the sealant bottle. Remove the sealant bottle cap. Open sealant bottle holder cap on the compressor. Screw the bottle onto the sealant bottle holder. Ensure that the compressor valve on the filling hose is locked. Unscrew the valve cap on the flat tire. Screw the open end of the filling hose onto the tire valve. Make sure the compressor is switched off. Plug the compressor power cable into the vehicle power outlet. Start the vehicle. Switch on the compressor and let it run for 5 to 7 minutes to fill the sealant up to proper pressure. Do not run the compressor for more than 10 minutes as it may overheat. If after 7 minutes the tire has not reached at least 29 psi on the compressor gauge, then the puncture is too large to seal and Hyundai roadside assistance must be called. Do not drive the vehicle if the tire pressure is below 29 psi. Make sure that you stay away from the tire while it is being filled. When complete, switch off the compressor, unplug it from the vehicle's power outlet, detach the filling hose from the inflated tire. Remove the speed restriction label from the sealant bottle and affix it to your steering wheel. Now you're ready to get back on the road, but here are a few simple things you still need to do. Drive for 7 to 10 kilometers or for about 10 minutes at speeds between 20 to 80 kilometers per hour to evenly distribute the sealant in the tire. After 10 minutes, stop and check the tire inflation. Connect the filling hose of the compressor directly to the tire valve. Make sure the compressor power switch is off and plug the compressor power cable into the vehicle power outlet. Start the engine. Check the pressure gauge to see if the tire pressure is set to the pressure listed on the sticker in the driver's side door frame. If the pressure is too high, reduce the pressure by pressing this button on the filling hose until it is set. If the pressure is too low, switch on the compressor. After approximately 5 seconds, switch the compressor off and check the tire pressure. If it is still too low, switch on the compressor for another 5 seconds. Repeat this process until the pressure is set. Once the tire is properly sealed, you can drive at a maximum speed of 80 km per hour for tentatively up to 200 km. Please remember, this is a temporary fix. Visit nearest Hyundai dealership or tire repair center as soon as possible. The Tire Mobility Kit is a great DIY tool, but as the experts say, there are things you need to keep in mind. If the puncture is larger than 4 mm in diameter or it is on the side wall, the Tire Mobility Kit will not be of help. Hyundai Roadside Assistance is the best and safest option in this instance. For more details on Tire Mobility Kit, please refer to the owner's manual. The kit keeps you prepared and your journey going great. Enjoy the drive.